Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna. It's great to see you. Today is the kids' last day of school, and I've been working on a project that I can teach. Schedule kind of lightening up a little bit without having to drive kids around and pick kids up. So I've been working on a beginner project that you might like too. I thought there'll be a few projects over the summer that will come as kits, and we can work on them together. So I hooked half of this already. This is called Berry Basket. I just did this yesterday and this morning. And this is 12 by 12. I haven't obviously pressed it yet because I haven't finished it yet. So it looks like this. Let me stand up so you can see the colors. I'm outside so you can see the colors really clear. So I've done this half of it. And your kit will come with these exact colors. We'll look at those together in just a second. And obviously yours will be blank on white linen like this is. And we're going to work on it together in class. It will be a recorded class, so if you're not able to make it but you still want the kit with the class, it'll be there for you. So this is a lot of fun. This reminds me of the Cape Cod artist Peter Hunt, who I love so much, right? So these are the colors, and again, this is on white linen. Let's look at some of the inspiration here. This is what I was using. Bring you down here a little bit. So we have got this background color that is a kind of a light red here. There's going to obviously be enough for you to do the whole thing, right? I've just done half, but there's in the kit enough cut strips. It's cut to number 5 for you to do the whole thing. So I have got, let's see, I've got the red, we've got the black for outlining. There's a couple different shades of this gold for the basket. Sorry, I'm outside. You can probably hear ridiculously loud motors, right? Like who needs that? So there's a couple different shades of gold just so it looks a bit more complex. And there's I think 3 or 4, I think 4 shades of green. So there's a dark one, then there's some lighter ones. There's one that's kind of a bluish minty green. That's for the little caps on the strawberries. See, they are different colors. A little bit of this yellow. I only use this yellow for these dit dots. And the dit dots are both yellow and then the mustard color, which is the basket. So one of those mustard colors, you would use the extra. This purple here, really bright purple. It's actually 2 colors again, so you get 2 slightly different shades to do a little bit of mixies. And the pinks for the berries. The pinks for the berries are exciting because there are some true bright pinks, some kind of medium brights, some truly neons, like a dusty rose color. There's more of a coral rose color, this one here, and like a tea rose. So there's 4 different colors of berry, and I think that's important just for variety because it's a golden basket with a light red background, some black decorative lines, kind of fracture style or whatever, toll painting style, a little bit of purple, a little bit of yellow. I feel like you need a mix of the greens for the strawberry caps and a mixture of pinks for the strawberries. So we'll be working on this together. And one of the fun things about doing this together is going to be, we're also going to mount it. And we're not going to do that together because unless you are incredible, like truly unbelievable, you won't get this done during the class time, or we're just learning basics together, spending some time together. But I will do a video that I will post after that shows a 12 by 12 frame, and when I'm finished too, I will be mounting this on the 12 by 12 frame, and I'll be showing you how I mount it on there. So when it's done, right, and when mine is done too, I'll be doing a video showing you how to get this on the frame. Seriously, like seriously, nice piece. This is why I am looking to move. It's not peaceful at all. But anyway, we'll be framing it together on one of these 12 by 12 canvases. I'll be showing you how to do that with just one of the canvases that comes with your kit and a staple gun, which does not come with your kit. So you're going to need a staple gun or tacks or upholstery tacks or something on your own. But I will do the video to show you how to do it, and you will get the 12 by 12 canvas that goes with your 12 by 12 berry basket pattern and all of the colors I just showed you in number 5 strip, enough to do this. So it'll be a full online class It'll be a fun way for us to spend some time together. I haven't been doing a lot of beginner classes or any online classes other than design classes lately because it's just been so busy. But I'm looking forward to doing some over the summer, and this will be the first of them, right? I think I'm doing 3 or 4 over the summer, so we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, make sure that you sign up for Berry Basket. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's fun to have a kit that's ready to go and to have instruction online. And with the recorded video, whether you log on live or not, you can always log on later and say, what was she saying about the outlining or the direction of my hooking? What was she saying about that? You can always look at the video again and again and again, as many times as you want, to look back on the things that we talked about during the class, or if you missed the class, so that you can have all of the tips and tricks, right, that will help make this thing go really easily. It's a very simple project for a beginner. It's something that you can do for sure. I will see you hopefully signed up for the Berry Basket class, and I'm looking forward to getting together and finishing this thing with you online. I will see you soon. I will see you next time at Ribbon Candy Hooking.